Whenever I'm on YouTube, I like to watch tutorials really quick and very informative. And that helps me learn something very quickly. That's what I'm trying to do today. So I'm showing you a really good browser tip which you might not have known really quickly. So the browser tip is when you have way too many tabs on your Chrome browser, and you want to delete some tab, say this tab with my YouTube channel on it. Don't delete this tab to make space for more tabs. You can just left click on whatever tab you want to delete and pin that tab. Now it's taking less space and allows more tabs to come in.
That's been it. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next video.